You see this? Capital goes to balance sheet. Provision for a bill not yet collected is the credit side item. Last year provision. Income and expenditure account, credit side. Rent, income and expenditure. Salary, income and expenditure. Client deposit, liability side. Sundry creditor, liability side. Office expense. In the office expense, you have to adjust the client disbursement excess amount. You see here. 19,350 is the client disbursement is amount here, and the client disbursement is given in the above is 15,850. 15,850 is here, and 19,350 is in the adjustment. I think it is 3,500 more. That more is to be deducted in the expense, office expense. Okay, in 28,000 you have to deduct, and the same amount you have to add in the disbursement amount. This here you have to add. Here you have to add, expense you have to deduct. What is the difference? 3,500. You deduct it. Okay. Furniture balance sheet, books balance sheet, client for bill. First it is comes in the income and expenditure as provision and goes to balance sheet asset side. Disbursement, balance sheet asset side you have to take and add the excess less the expense. Okay. Then bank goes to balance sheet, profit goes to income and expenditure. Work in progress, income and expenditure credit side, and you have to add in the provision. Add in the provision. And expenses are some are related and included in the disbursement account. That is the given for your adjustment. Second adjustment, the difference you have to take. Already I told difference between this disbursement account and this difference 3,500. That 3,500 increase is there. That increase deduct in the expense, add in the disbursement. Okay. If there is a decrease, here is a decrease. The decrease is added in the expense, deducted in the disbursement. Remember this point. Okay, and 750 we has received credited. This 750 is to be deducted in the deposit and deducted in the disbursement in the balance sheet. Okay, you see this. This is income and expenditure account for the year, particular. First you take the provision for against fees, and debit side you take the rent. Rent 12,500, salary 50,000, office expense, you take inner column and less disbursement, client disbursement 3,500 already explained. Balance is 24,500. Okay. Then provision for unrealized profit is you have to take, that is client disbursement 41,000, work in progress 7,500. These two you take, total is 48,500. Then cost profit is 1,53,800. Work in progress 7,500. Close the account. Net profit is 48,350. Clear? And you draw the balance sheet. This is the balance sheet. Liability amount, asset amount. You take the capital, add net profit, then less drawing. Drawing is not there. Take the client deposit, less credit adjustment. Remember this point. Less credit adjustment, both sides. 750 you deduct 30,000. Creditor for expense, then provision for unrealized profit, you take the total, whatever you taken in the income and expenditure. Asset side, furniture, library book, then client bill for cost, bill of cost, client disbursement. You take inner column. Here you add not charged. That is 3,500 add. After this, you deduct the credit adjustment 750. Sorry, less. Whatever shown on the debit side less, credit side also less. Okay. Amount is balance. Then bank, you take balance, bank balance client, cash account, work in progress, you take the total. Total is 1,68,100. This is the problem of solving the lawyer. Okay. You see the next problem. Problem number 19. In the problem number 19, you see that drawing goes to balance sheet, salary, income and expenditure, rent, income and expenditure, work in progress, income and expenditure, miscellaneous income and expenditure account. And in this miscellaneous expenditure, you have to adjust the client disbursement less. And client disbursement, balance sheet, asset side, client control goes to income and expenditure provision, balance sheet, asset side. Furniture, asset, library book, asset, bank, cash, these are all asset goes to balance sheet. Okay. Capital balance sheet, loan balance sheet, client deposit balance sheet, provision for unrealized profit, income and expenditure account, debit side. Liability for expense, balance sheet. Cost profit, income and expenditure. Okay. Then work in progress, income and expenditure credit side, and at the same time you have to take in the provision. And 250 rupees credited. It is deducted in the deposit and disbursement. Deduct in the deposit and disbursement in the balance sheet. And disbursement adjusted. And 9,500 is the disbursement. So 500 is more. 500 is more. This 500 is deducted in the expense and added in the disbursement. Remember this. Provision made 100%, I already told. Depreciation, income and expenditure, and deduct in the balance sheet. Outstanding interest, you take debit side of the income and expenditure and add in the loan. Okay. You see the solution. This is income and expenditure account. Provision, first you take, debit side you take work in progress first. Okay, after work in progress, you record all the expenses. Rent, salary, miscellaneous expense, inner column, less client disbursement 500. 500 you deduct that, 9,500 balance. Provision for unrealized profit, client disbursement 50,000, work in progress 10,000, total provision is 60,000. Total provision 60,000. Like this you take. By profit cost, credit side, by work in progress, closing balance. Then you take the depreciation, furniture 3,000, library book 7,500. Total 10,500 is the depreciation. Outstanding interest 1,500. Okay. You take the expense as per given problem. Then take the total. Total is 1,80,000. Difference is 45,000. This is the surplus. This is the surplus. Only thing regarding this lawyer is in the miscellaneous expense you have to less client disbursement increase as per adjustment. Increase is there. In the adjustment client disbursement is more. That amount you deduct here. Okay. And client disbursement is less in the adjustment. You add here. This is the point. Clear? Then go to balance sheet. In the balance sheet, liability amount, asset amount. First you take capital, add profit, then less drawing. Less drawing. Then client deposit 27,500, less credit adjustment 250. Then balance is 27,250. Liability for expenses 7,500. Liability for expense 7,500 you take. Provision for unrealized profit is 60,000 in the income and expenditure account. Then furniture you take 15,000 less depreciation. The next is library book, take and less depreciation. The next client for bill of cost, client disbursement 9,000, add not charge 500. Okay. Then less credit adjustment 250. Balance is 9,250. Clear? Bank loan 25,000 you take, interest is 1,500, total 26,500. Then you take the bank balance, office client, cash in hand, work in progress, take the total. Here, in this way, you make the account. Okay. This is problem number 19 is completed. In the 20 problem is same. Okay. In the 20 problem also you have to do. Drawing goes to balance sheet, furniture goes to balance sheet, salary, rent, work in progress. These goes to income and expenditure. Client disbursement, office expense goes to office expense goes to income and expenditure. Client disbursement, balance sheet, client control, provision and asset. Bank, library books, bank, cash. These are the balance sheet items. Capital, balance sheet, provision, income and expenditure, client deposit, balance sheet, uh, cost profit, income and expenditure. Adjustments are simple. Okay, 10,000 is disbursement, work in progress 8,000. Then next is disbursement client is 1,600. You have to deduct it both sides. 1,600 is to be deducted in the balance sheet, both debit side, liability side and asset side. Disbursement is 10,000. What is change in the disbursement? Disbursement in the trial balance is 8,000, adjustment 10,000. Therefore, there is increase of 2,000. 2,000 increase, you have to deduct in the expense, add in the disbursement. Clear? You remember this. What? This is the problem. You see here. Provision, opening provision is 36,000, work in progress 6,000, rent, salary, miscellaneous expense, take 12,000 inner column, less disbursement 2,000, 10,000. Then provision for unrealized profit 30,000, 8,000 work in progress. Total 38,000. Profit cost 1,20,000, work in progress 8,000. Depreciation furniture 2,000, library book 3,200. Total 5,200. You take the total and ascertain the net profit. Net profit is 82,800. This is surplus. You go to the balance sheet. In the balance sheet, first you take the capital. Capital is 20,000, add net profit, less drawing. Your answer comes. Client deposit 26,000, less credit adjustment 1,600. Okay, less credit adjustment. Then provision for unrealized profit 38,000. Furniture you take after depreciation. You take library books, less depreciation. Then you take bill for bill of cost. Then client disbursement 8,000. Add not charge 2,000. Less credit adjustment 1,600. Okay, 8,400. Then you take the bank balance of client and bank office, cash in hand, then work in progress. Take the total. Clear? In this way, you take the total. The next is, this is the same problem. Problems, all the problems are same. Okay. Next example number 21. The problem number 21 is also same. Capital, sorry, here is the two partners. In the problem number 21, partners are there. So you see here, capital and drawing. Debit side, debit column, drawing, credit column, capital. These two you take in the balance sheet. Drawing is deducted. Profit cost, income and expenditure account. Income and expenditure, salary income and expenditure, rent income and expenditure, printing income and expenditure, library, balance sheet, conveyance income and expenditure. The next is provision for unrealized profit, income and expenditure, disbursement, balance sheet, client control, income and expenditure, provision, balance sheet, asset, furniture asset, client deposit liability, bank cash. These are assets. Okay. Outstanding salary and printing. You have to add in the respective amount. Respective account to add. Office expense 1000 were debited to client account. Debited means in the client account you have to deduct, and office expense you have to add. This is the change. Whatever problems already solved, there is adjustment is in the disbursement. Okay, disbursement amount taken in the office expense. Therefore, you deducted there. Office expense taken in the office expense. Here, office expense is taken in the disbursement. So you have to add in the disbursement, deduct in the office expense. Clear? And whatever already solved there, disbursement taken in the office expense. This is the opposite adjustment as already studied. Remember this. Okay. Then work in progress 6000. You know it, how to adjust. Provision for depreciation. You know it. Okay. And you see the solution. First, income and expenditure account. Particular amount. Provision you take. First, rent. Then salary. Then printing and stationery you take. In the printing and stationery, add outstanding. Okay, like this you take the other items. What are the other items? Depreciation is there, outstanding expense is there. Outstanding expense you take. Then here you have to take the outstanding salary, 4000. Like this you take all the adjustment and close the account. You will get the surplus of 72,200, and this 72,200 surplus is to be divided or shared between Mohan and Sohan equally. 36,100, 36,100 you distribute. Okay, traveling expense is also there. This is the solution method, and this is the outstanding expense I have taken. Outstanding expense. This outstanding expense is related with office but taken in the disbursement. Therefore, here instead of adding, there is no item to add. So separately I have taken. And this item you have to deduct in the disbursement. Remember this. This is the only important point in this problem. In the balance sheet, you see here capital. First you take the Mohan, opening capital, net profit, less drawing. Mohan is completed. Then you take the second one. You see this. Okay. Okay, once again you see the balance sheet. Liability, capital move on, net profit, add it, less drawing. 28,100 is move on capital. Then you take so on 6,000 capital, add net profit, you will get the net profit 36,100. I will take afterwards. That is not clear. 42,100, less drawing, uh, balance is 24,100. Okay. Client deposit, you take, there is no adjustment. Outstanding expense, salary 4,000, then printing 2,000, total 6,000. Okay. Unrealized profit 36,000. You take the furniture 4,000 less depreciation. Then library book 12,000 less depreciation 2,400. Then client cost 30,000. Client disbursement 40,000. Here instead of adding you have to deduct less office expense. Here added in this client disbursement office expense is added. Therefore you have to deduct. In the previous problems disbursement amount is added in the office expense. This is the reverse adjustment. Remember it. 1,000 you deduct, balance is 13,000. Okay. Client account, office, cash work in progress. You take the total, balance is tallied. Okay. Then you see here 13,6,100 I taken here. Profit. Clear? Next problem 22. 22 problem is same. You go through this. This is the solution. Everything is same as your previous problem. Unrealized profit, miscellaneous expense, less disbursement 400, work in progress, fees taken, then depreciation you take. Okay. You close the account, you will get the net profit surplus 49,400. In the balance sheet, capital you take, net profit, then less drawing, client deposit, less credit adjustment 100, provision for unrealized profit 26,000, 25,600, furniture 7,200, library books, depreciation, client 20,000, disbursement 4,000, add 400. Then less credit adjustment 100, 44,300. Bank, cash in hand, work in progress. Close the account, you will get the answer. Okay. This is the last problem. All the problems I have solved, and you go through these problems seriously and come to know the situation. Okay. And I complete this syllabus today. I completed your syllabus, each and every aspect, and your duty is to study and appear exam seriously, and don't confuse the question paper. Don't confuse. Seriously go through the questions, thoroughly understand the adjustments, solve the problem without any disturbances. Okay. Good luck. All the best.